Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Meta Business Suite security settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Meta Business Suite website. Log in to your Meta Business account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your business settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Security Center. Select Security Center to view your security options. Here, you will see various security features available for your account. To enable two-factor authentication, click on the Two-Factor Authentication option. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your preferred method. You can choose to receive a code via text message or use an authentication app. If you opt for an authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. After setting up the authentication app, link it to your Meta Business account by scanning the QR code provided. Next, enter the verification code generated by the app to confirm the setup. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, return to the Security Center. Review the list of connected devices to ensure only recognized devices have access. If you notice any unfamiliar devices, remove them immediately. Consider enabling login alerts for added security. This feature will notify you of any new logins to your account. To manage user access, navigate to the Users section in the Settings menu. Here, you can add or remove users and assign roles according to your preferences. Make sure to regularly review user permissions to maintain tight security. Finally, check other security features such as business verification and login alerts. Implement any additional security measures. After making these adjustments, your account will be more secure against unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.